Good morning everybody. My name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paper Fun. Today we will make paper boats. So first we fold the paper and like this. It has to be equal. Then when you have finished, you can fold it and then you can turn it like this. Then fold it like this. It has to be equal. So now open it and turn it like this. So you can see the middle line. Then you can see this corner and bring this corner in this center line. Then do the same in the other side. Then when you have finished, you can see these two lines. So pick up one and fold it like this. Turn it around and do the same in the other side. And then fold it like this. Same with the other one. Then open it. Then you can see this corner. Bring it up here. And flip it and do the same here. Then open it like this. Then you can see and then open it and you can fix it here. Then your paper boat is finished.